Hi everyone, I am Echo from Liushi Machinery Limited, and today I'm going to show you a brick factory that is open near Aspu. The video is a bit long, follow the camera down to understand. The brick factory was originally a place of entrepreneurial enthusiasm, but it was plagued by noise, problems, complaints come and go. The brick factory is facing a crisis of shutdown. The owners are full of distress. Years of hard work is down the drain. Don't worry. Customers in the understanding of many home brick making machine after choosing to buy Liushi pallet-less brick making machine. This brick making machine is not only energy efficient and running noise is greatly reduced, but Liushi service is more than that in-depth understanding of the situation. For the customer carefully planned and designed a soundproof plant, effectively blocking the spread of noise. Now, the brick factory revitalized, not only solve the noise nuisance problem, but also can continue to contribute to the construction industry high-quality bricks. Liushi pallet-less brick-making machine and acoustic plant program has helped many enterprises to solve their problems and build a new future of harmonious production and community environment. If you also have the same confusion, welcome to consult. Or your next video want to understand which brick making machine, welcome to comment area, message, discussion. Remember to praise attention.